Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Blackboard. Today I'm going to be taking you on basically a tour of a general Blackboard course. But before I do so, I would just like to state a little disclaimer, if you will. Every class in Blackboard is going to look different and be different just because it's set up by instructors. So Blackboard allows for variability in its programming. So you'll see instructors have more content and you'll see instructors have less content in their Blackboard course. So with that being said, let's get into it. So I'll just go into Blackboard Student Training. Just click on that and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. This is your course's home page. You'll see that this announcement was posted this week, and basically you'll see the entire announcement here, and if there's other announcements you'll see them below here. This is a really important page to check just because your instructor will announce anything that he or she sees fit for you to know. So a couple of examples of an announcement would be welcome to this course, you have a discussion assignment due, submit that, class is canceled for today, or just any general updates that your professor might have for you. So now let's take a look over here. This is your navigation bar. If you don't see this bar, it could be hidden and it could look like this. All you'll need to do to get that back is just click this little arrow, and then you can see the navigation bar here. And the same way to hide that, you just click that arrow. So this navigation bar will take you to various places in the course. So over here we have the announcements page, which is the home page for your course. So that's the page we're on here. If you click this, it'll take you to the same exact place. And then we have course information, course modules, assignments, discussions, journal, my grades, and then three things down here. CSU-Pueblo Library, research guides, and BB Tools, which stands for Blackboard Tools. I won't be going over these three just because they're very in-depth and they all have separate videos. So let's take a look back up here at course information. So the page title is pretty self-explanatory. It'll give you your course information that you need. So your instructor has posted a syllabus and a lab rubric, and then also a paper. There can be various things in this category. These are just a few examples. Like most other categories over here, like course modules, it can have a lot of different things in it. The best way to basically figure out what is in it is to just go in your courses and see exactly what you need in there. And then another thing, the syllabus, it might be in its own category over here, so you might need to find that out over here. And then just to access, so if you want access to your syllabus, you just click on this button here and it'll take you straight to your syllabus, so where you can download your syllabus and either print it out or just read it. Same for the lab rubric. And then I'll take you down to course modules next. This is basically a blanket category. I've seen multiple different things used here, so these are just a few examples. So there's a test here, a study guide for that test, and then also reading materials. Now these you'll just have to click on the title and it will take you to the content that your instructor wants you to view. There's no content here, but it's basically, I'll go back to the course modules folder. It's basically a separate folder. So if you think about when you save Word documents, it's like creating a folder to save multiple Word documents in. So you might have 7 different reading materials in this one, and you might have study guides for all chapters. Like I said, the best way to figure that out is just to click on it and just trial and error search through your courses. So now I'll take you to the assignments tab. And here we just have assignment 1 and paper 1. We do have a separate video on how to submit assignments, so I won't go into too much detail here, but basically you just click on that and upload your assignment. Next, discussions. This is basically a tool that your teacher uses so the students can collaborate together to get a better understanding of the course material, or just to collaborate or talk with each other, basically. So you'll see all of your discussion posts here. There's just one in this course, but you can see more underneath. And we'll have a video on this as well to help you submit your first discussion. Same with journals over here. All you'll need to do is just click on that and then create journal entry and go through the process of that, and we do have a separate video on that as well. The next category is one of my favorites, my grades. So I am a strong believer that people need to stay up to date, or students need to stay up to date with their current grades. And I love checking my grades just so I can see where I'm at, what I need to do better on, and how I can improve in my course. So I would definitely at least check your grades in every course once a week, or however often you see fit. But so you can see all of your assignments. So this one was already submitted, and then this one's upcoming. So you'll see upcoming graded, or if you've submitted it and it hasn't been graded, you'll see submitted. And then you'll see your total so far. So that's without the upcoming assignments. And then you'll see your weighted total, which is your total at the end, like your final grade in the course. So I think that's it for today's video. Like I said, definitely check back in to see more specific details on how to submit assignments and journals and discussions. We'll definitely upload those videos for you guys. And I hope you have a great day.